Data science versus programming, which is better? There is no honest answer to this question, as it all depends on your specific career goals. However, data scientists earn more on average than software engineers and typically have a more diverse role. With the proper training, someone committed to data science can enter this job field relatively easily and get a high-paying entry-level job that will kickstart their career. Here is a question to answer when comparing data science versus programming. Do you have more of an analytical mind, or are you a logical thinker? If you think creatively when developing solutions to complex problems, you will enjoy becoming a data scientist. This role involves getting to the bottom of issues plaguing organizations by analyzing large data sets. That might include taking risks, but the payoff can be lucrative. If you like to follow step-by-step instructions and solve problems in a more orderly way, you might enjoy a career in programming. This role primarily involves working with programming languages like Python and R, which have an order of operations. There is less risk involved in programming than in data science, but this role can still be fulfilling. Final word. Data science and programming are two career options that might interest you. However, choosing whether to become a data scientist or software engineer will depend on your specific job goals and personality characteristics. If you want a data science career in the future, starting your training now can help you land a high-paying and fulfilling role in this field.